Hi guys, it's time for me to show you circular peyote stitch. I like it very much. You have a lot of possibilities with circular peyote stitch. I will show you how to make this little pentagon. Actually, because I wanted to show you how to make a close shape of circular peyote stitch with this little loop bail for the pendant, for example. This is my pendant. What is inside? I have filling, but I connect two hollow shapes, two hexagons, and I connect them, zip up them. But I just wanted to show you what is also possible. You can make a 3D shape on that way. And I will show you, of course, how to make the hollow shape in circular peyote stitch, how to begin, because the beginning is only the difference, the rest is the same. In the workshop, of course, we are going to make this beautiful ring. And circular peyote stitch has a lot of possibilities, and it's very much used also in dimensional beadwork. So it's going to be very useful for you to know that too. Okay, let's get started in the next lesson. See you then.